Traveling alone can be one of the most enriching experiences a person can undertake. Solo adventures provide a unique opportunity for personal growth, self-discovery, and the development of independence. Today, we are going to explore the multifaceted benefits of solo travel and offer practical tips on capturing memories, balancing solitude with social activities, and truly making the most of your journey. One of the most significant aspects of solo travel is the chance to embrace independence. When you travel alone, you are solely responsible for making decisions, navigating new environments, and managing your time and resources. This independence can be both empowering and liberating. It allows you to create a travel experience that is uniquely tailored to your interests and preferences without having to compromise or accommodate someone else's plans. Independence in travel can also foster a sense of self-reliance. When faced with challenges such as missed connections or language barriers, you learn to problem solve and adapt. These experiences build confidence and resilience, skills that are valuable not only in travel but in everyday life. Solo travel provides an unparalleled opportunity for self-discovery. Away from the routines and expectations of home, you have the space to reflect on who you are and what you want out of life. This introspection can lead to profound personal insights and growth. Traveling alone allows you to explore your interests and passions without external influences. Whether it's visiting art museums, hiking through national parks, or sampling new cuisines, you have the freedom to pursue activities that genuinely interest you. This exploration can help you discover new hobbies and passions that you might not have encountered otherwise. Moreover, solo travel can help clarify your values and priorities. As you navigate different cultures and environments, you may find yourself re-evaluating what is truly important to you. This clarity can be a powerful catalyst for personal transformation. One of the joys of travel is capturing the moments and memories that make each journey unique. Photography is a wonderful way to document your solo adventures and share your experiences with others. When taking photos, consider not only the iconic landmarks, but also the small, everyday details that capture the essence of a place. Street scenes, local markets, and candid shots of people can provide a more intimate and authentic portrayal of your journey. Experiment with different perspectives and compositions to create visually interesting images. Use natural light to your advantage, and don't be afraid to take photos during different times of the day to capture varying moods and atmospheres. Photography can also be a form of self-expression. Consider using your camera to tell a story or convey a particular emotion. This creative approach can add depth and meaning to your travel photos. In addition to photography, journaling is another powerful way to capture and reflect on your solo travel experiences. Keeping a travel journal allows you to document your thoughts, feelings, and observations in a more detailed and personal way. Your journal can be a place to record daily activities, memorable encounters, and reflections on the places you visit. Writing about your experiences can help you process and make sense of them, leading to deeper insights and understanding. Journaling can also be a creative outlet. Use your journal to sketch, write poetry, or jot down snippets of conversations. This creative expression can enhance your travel experience and provide a rich record of your journey. While solo travel offers the opportunity for solitude and self-reflection, it is also important to find a balance between alone time and social interactions. Engaging with others can enrich your travel experience and provide valuable connections. One way to balance solitude and social activities is to stay in accommodations that facilitate meeting other travelers. Hostels, guest houses, and homestays often have communal areas where you can connect with fellow travelers. Participating in group tours or activities can also provide opportunities for social interaction. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with locals. Learning about their culture, traditions, and perspectives can deepen your understanding of the places you visit. Simple interactions, such as chatting with a shopkeeper or joining a local event, can lead to meaningful connections. At the same time, honor your need for solitude. Solo travel is a chance to enjoy your own company and engage in activities that bring you peace and contentment. Whether it's finding a quiet spot to read, taking a leisurely walk, or spending time in nature, make sure to carve out moments for yourself. To make the most of your solo adventures, consider the following practical tips. Plan ahead. While spontaneity is part of the fun of solo travel, having a basic plan can help you feel more confident and prepared. Research your destination, book accommodations in advance, and have a general itinerary in mind. Stay connected. Keep in touch with friends and family back home. Share your travel plans and check in regularly to let them know you're safe. This can provide a sense of security and support. Be mindful of safety. Trust your instincts and be aware of your surroundings. Avoid risky situations and take precautions, such as keeping your valuables secure and staying in well-lit areas at night. Pack light. Traveling solo means you'll be responsible for carrying your own luggage. Pack only the essentials and choose versatile clothing and gear that can be easily managed. Learn basic phrases. If you're traveling to a country where the language is different, learning a few basic phrases can go a long way. Simple greetings and expressions of gratitude can help you connect with locals and navigate daily interactions. Embrace flexibility. Solo travel is an adventure, and unexpected changes can happen. Embrace flexibility and go with the flow. Sometimes the best experiences come from unplanned moments. Solo travel is a journey of self-discovery, independence, and personal growth. By embracing the challenges and joys of traveling alone, you can create a deeply fulfilling and transformative experience. Capture your memories through photography and journaling. Balance solitude with social activities, and follow practical tips to ensure a safe and enjoyable journey. Ultimately, solo adventures are an opportunity to connect with yourself and the world in a profound and meaningful way.